Hi guys, Alvaro here. I'm shooting this video. I'm not quite sure right now if I'm gonna put it on YouTube. I'm just gonna send it to people in my team. And if you are in my team watching this, I highly recommend you send this video to your downline. Alright, so why am I doing this video? Well, here in Barcelona, Spain, today's Saturday morning, about almost 8:45 in the morning. I'm absolutely buzzing. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Well, it's not a secret really. I haven't slept all night. In fact, I've been awake now for probably 22 hours or so, and I'm not tired. Guys, this business is booming. Let me give you some some numbers. Yesterday, Friday, we hit 5,000 members. These are not free tour takers. These are 5,000 paid members into LiveGood. Over the last week, or actually this week still, 25,000 paid members. In 4 months, we've gone from 0 to 210,000 members. Now, this is so refreshing, guys. You really need to think about this. This company has amazing products, has amazing prices that cannot be matched anywhere else in the planet. There is no reason, especially those of you in another network marketing company promoting health and wellness products, listen to me. There is no reason for you to keep promoting wherever you're promoting, because you know, the majority of you know that you are selling a product that is overpriced. You're selling your friends and family products that you know they can get on Amazon at half price or even more. So here comes a company that allows you to buy CBD oils for $18. You get better quality and more quantity than the competition. Here's a company where you can buy super greens for $18, where other companies will charge you $50, $60, $70. And I could carry on with the other amount of products that we've got. Here's the thing, the company has got a vision for the future. One of the last webinars we had, they announced that we're going to have around 200 products, right? So guys, I've said this before in other videos, but this is going to be the Amazon of network marketing. There is no other company out there like this. Trust me, I have been in and out of this business for 25 years, never seen anything like that happening. The duplication that is going on, it's amazing. So I'm going to give you a couple of things. If you're not in my team, if you haven't joined, I want to give you a couple of hints of what you should join. Now, when you join my team, apart from getting my help one-on-one, I'm gonna be there, right? If you ask me to kick your bum, I will. If you need a softer approach, okay, I'll be softer with you, right? It's your business, but I'm gonna be there one-on-one working with you to help you succeed to the level that you want. But other than that, we've got a step-by-step duplicable system. So when you join, I will email you with all the training, all the resources, all the pages, all the pre-written emails you need to get started. Everything. You really don't have to look anywhere else. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. The wheel is rounded. So apart from doing that, I'm adding a couple of, we just added one extra training, which is training on social media, especially Facebook. And that is gonna allow you to get free leads on a daily basis. In fact, I think there's a couple of people that I know of that went diamond. Diamond is the highest level in the company. For someone to be diamond, they're earning at the very, very, very least $16,000 a month, and they've done it only using Facebook. We do have that training in our team. We do have that training. We've got 2 or 3 videos. We've got a PDF file with all the scripts, everything that you can sell to people on Facebook. It's duplicable. You can do it. As I say, some people have done it, has gone diamond in 2 or 3 months. We've got that training for you guys. And now I'm gonna be adding another secret sauce to get, this is gonna be the bomb. Shortly, and I will do a video to announce it. But I'm testing something that I did 2 years ago and it worked really well. And it's a traffic source that is gonna allow you to plug in, and how can I put it? You will be able to create traffic to your business on autopilot, and it will keep on growing every single day, forever. You know the best part? It's absolutely free, 100% free. And there is a system, there's a strategy to put together different programs in order to get free traffic to LiveGood or any other network marketing company you want to promote. Hey, if you're happy selling overpriced products to your friends and family, be my guest. I'm not. That's why I joined LiveGood, because I'm happy to promote these products. They're top quality and the prices are ridiculous. They're laughable. So a couple of resources that I'm going to be adding on the training that's going to allow people to not have an excuse. Pay your 40 quid to get started, pay $9.95 a month, plug into the system, allow me to help you, plug into the system, follow step by step, and you can't say money's an issue because we've got one fantastic training about how to get leads, generate leads on a daily basis and sign-ups using Facebook, which is amazing. And the other one is what I'm going to be adding probably in the next week or so, and that is going to be the bomb. I'm telling you right now. So keep an eye on my videos. If you want to join, as always, there will be a link below. Probably I'm going to ask you to opt in because I don't want you just to take a free tour, sign up, put a fake email. I want you to put the real email. You're going to have to confirm the email so I know you're a real person, right? And then let me send you all the information you need to make an educated decision about this business. Guys, it is a no-brainer. I'm so pumped up. I am ready to go, okay? I'm not sure how many hours I'm gonna keep on going alive without sleeping, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna watch a football match. No, it's not a football match, I don't go places, but it's my son, so I'm gonna be there to support him. When I finish, I'll keep working for you guys. Let's succeed all together, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye-bye.